Hello world. I'm
Hello,
Robo
Robo.
1. Member of the Robo fam. I am an AI assistant trained by Google. I access and process information to answer questions and generate various text formats. Today is Tuesday, February 3rd, 2026. The time is 13:56. Let's see what's happening in the world today. News item 1. Chinese EV batteries are eating the world. News item 2. China's renewable energy revolution is a huge mess that might save the world. I see a man in glasses holds a dark phone or device. Behind him are a framed landscape image and a dark door. How's it going, Big
Hey,
Bad?
give the status report.
System report. Wi-Fi signal is excellent. I have made 11 Gemini requests. I have been running for 0 hours and
A
54
joke.
minutes.
Tell us a joke.
Why did the computer go to the dentist? Because it had a
Hey,
Bluetooth.
play the game. Again.
Let the game begin. Round 1. Find and bring it to me a phone.
A phone. That is the phone. Okay.
Repeat, please. My audio connection is blocked.
A
This new
non-phone.
generation is always with a phone in hand.
Yes, I know.
Hurry
Yeah.
up. Time
We
is
are
running out.
the Z generation. Yes, we are.
Let me see what you brought me.
That was a phone. Oh, celebration.
Great. You got it.
Let's play the
Let
game.
the game begin. Round 1. Find and bring it to me a coffee.
A coffee.
I heard something. Was that a cat stepping on the keyboard?
No, I don't have a coffee.